How to set up Wi-Fi Direct on your Canon PIXMA TR7120. Let's get started. Step number 1, press the home button so we all start on the same page on the display. Now, what you need to do is to simply go down using the down arrow until you get, to settings right over here. Press OK. Then select LAN settings, press OK again. Wireless direct, press OK. Select advanced mode by going down and pressing OK. Press next. Select on to turn on wireless direct. Wait a few seconds. Press OK. And now we have the name of the printer, the Wi-Fi name of this printer. And down below we have the password. Yours will be different, so there's no point of entering this password that you see on your display right now. Go on your printer and do the same thing. How do you print using Wi-Fi Direct? Well, let me demonstrate using my phone. I am currently on the Wi-Fi settings of my phone. Could also be a computer. You should see Direct TR7100 series. Tap on it. And now simply type the password that you're seeing on the display of your printer. Press connect. Okay, it is connected. Now open any files you wish to print on your phone or computer. On an iPhone, you need to find this logo, the square with an arrow pointing up. It may be over here, over there. On Android, you need to tap the 3 dots on the top right corner and then you're going to get print. So on iPhone, once I have tapped that icon, I'll select and now select the printer on the top, Canon TR7100 series. There's a few options you can change and press the print button once you're ready to print. Open this panel. If you get this message, press continue. It's not very important. Okay, so we got our result right over here. If you wish to scan and get the results on your phone or computer using Wi-Fi Direct, you absolutely need to download the Canon app. So this is how it looks. On iPhone, Android, it's the Canon Print app. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Comment down below, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.